How to add and connect your phone number with your Facebook account on PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple and easy. Just go to Facebook, this is the home page, go to top corner, click here, click on settings and privacy, click on settings again. After you click here, now on this page you will find many options. All what you have to do is simple. Just go right here to mobile, click on mobile option, and here click on add a phone, as you can see, and choose the country that you want. For example, I'm gonna choose here Australia, and enter your number, then click send me text and click continue, and everything is gonna be done. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.